ourselves. We are from 7th group of English assignment, and
my name is Delaika Putri Damayanti.
my name is Tina Rahma.
My name is Rahmala Hadesa Putri.
My name is Kurata Yunus Lasari.
Today we want to present how to acid fast staining of bacteria. So let's get to the basics.
Microorganism, which has a lot of lipid, there cannot easily decolorized by acid alcohol. But if the microorganism is decolorized by special stain like a carbofuscin by heating process, it will absorb stain and cannot fade it. Acid fast staining consists of two methods. The first is Ziehl-Neelsen and the second is Kenyan-Gabet. The difference between them is about the stain and the staining. Ziehl-Neelsen uses stain from carbofuscin, methylene blue, and HCl alcohol. In this method, need heating process to make the stain absorbable. Kenyan-Gabet uses stain from quinone and gabet. This method without heating process because in quinone contain carbofuscin and in gabet contain methylene blue and alcohol.
And now this is acid fast staining using method of Ziehl-Neelsen. The first material this should be in prepared object glass, samples putum, also the self-painting, pastel pipette, and Bunsen. And then this is reagents here for the staining of bacteria, carbofuscin, acid alcohol, and methylene blue. This is a procedure acid fast staining using of method Ziehl-Neelsen. The first prepare a smear consisting of Mycobacterium smegmatis. Prepare a object glass, Bunsen, also, and then a sample. After that, part turn on of Bunsen, and then fixation object glass, and also and then take the sample and put down in the object glass. Flatten the preparation slightly oval with the length 3 cm and width 2 cm. Let it dry in the air. After that, fixation more preparation on top of Bunsen to glue bacteria in the object glass and for deadly of bacteria. Apply carbofuscin to saturate in the object glass. And heat for 5 minutes. Warming it open the layer while lipid of bacteria so that first they can get into the of bacteria. And cool and rinse with water 30 seconds. After that, decolorize with acid alcohol until pink for 30 seconds. Rinse with water for 5 seconds. And then contour stain with methylene blue for about 2 minutes. After that, rinse again with water for 30 seconds. Finish dry in the air.
The second, I will explain about Kenyan garbage stain procedure. For the two used, same as the previous use procedure, but the reagent used are different. There are Kenyan reagent dan garbage reagent. The first step is prepare object glass, then fixation. And now I will make preparation of bacteria. And then fixation again. Then drop Kenyan reagent until 3 minutes. After that, rinse with the aqua gas. Then drop garbage reagent until 1 minute. Rinse with aqua gas again. And the last, let it dry.
After the staining step was completed, the next step is observe the bacteria under the microscope. Through 100 magnification, the bacteria will look bright red. The difference between Ziehl-Neelsen and Kenyan garbage lies in the process and the dye used. So, that's all for the acid fast staining of bacteria. I hope you understand. Thank you.
After we do the staining procedure, we must look the bacteria in microscope with magnification 100 times. We found Mycobacterium tuberculosis in red. The bacterial shape is bacil. This bacteria is acid-fast bacteria.
What is the purpose of the heat during the acid fast staining procedure?
Okay, the heat drives the stain into the cell. Once the microorganisms have taken up the carbon fusion, this acid fastness is due to the high heat contained in the cell of the microorganism.
What is the function of the counter stain in the acid-fast staining procedure?
Stain different bacteria direct differs to these dyes able to distinguish between bacteria.
Are acid-fast bacteria gram-positive or gram-negative? Explain your answer.
They are gram-positive because of lipid in the cell wall. They are stained by the primary stain.
For what disease would you use an acid-fast stain?
There are tuberculosis, leprosy, and other bacteria that have cell walls with lipid that stop dyes from readily binding to the cell.
What makes a microorganism non-acid fast?
The absence of lipid or glycolic acid in cell walls.
What chemical is responsible for the acid-fast property of Mycobacterium?
The chemical is microlic acid and high lipid content.
Is a gram stain an adequate substitute for an acid-fast stain? Why or why not?
No, because these auricular bacteria do not stain unless fed with carbotoxin that drives pigment into cell.
Okay guys, thank you for watching.
We hope you understand it.
See you on the next tutorial.
Dan wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.